Hi, this is Swan with Swan Amity Studios, and today we are going to be making Scrappy 4 at a time flying geese. If you're familiar with the 4 at a time flying geese method, this is going to be similar, except we're going to need to cut first and then produce our flying geese from cut pieces. We're starting off with our 5 1/4 inch square and our 2 7/8 inch squares. These are going to finish 2 inches by 4 inches. Today we're also using an ideal seam guide from So Very Smooth, which we're using with our ideal seam gauge to help us get a true 1/4 inch on our machine. To start with, we'll take our 5 1/4 inch square and cut on both diagonals. Now we have our triangles, which will be the centers of our geese. Now with our 2 7/8 inch squares, we'll cut on one diagonal. Set our cutting tools aside. Now we're going to lay out our geese so that we have 2 different colored wings on each side. So here's one goose. We're going to start with our bright gold. Take one layer of those, and we're going to set that up so that it overlaps going this direction. So here's our goose, here's our gold triangle on top of the goose. Let's go ahead and stitch that into place. First we'll remove our seam gauge. Let's put a starter through there. And now we'll attach our first wing. Let's press that wing out. Okay, now this one has one wing on. Let's attach the second wing. Again, we're going to take half of one of our 2 7/8 inch squares, and we're going to line that up on the other side. So, second wing ready to sew into place. Put a starter through the machine. And let's make our second wing. We're going to press that one out. Clip off our starter. Let's bring back our ruler and cut off those excess sides there. And there's your Scrappy flying goose, finishing 2 inches by 4 inches using the 4 at a time flying goose method. This has been brought to you from Swan at Swan Amity Studios. If you like this video, please visit us at swanamity.com for more tips and tricks on how to get perfect points with your applique and how to do fun Scrappy piecing projects.